Hi, this is Nathan Win from Inomatic. Today I will go over a very cool Excel macro. This macro will play Connect File with you. And there are a couple parameters here that I set. The board size is 20 by 20. I used to have the 30 by 30 option, but it's not practical, so I remove it. I also allow user to pick Connect File 07. I remove the 7 completely because it's not relevant. And here we can pick the size whether we want to be an X or O. So if I pick the O and human first to move and current turn is human. I play a game previously and allow the computer to win. I will proceed with the second game so you get to see it in action. So I will proceed with playing the first sign in the middle of the board. The computer will quickly place a move and there it is, blocking my path while advancing its own. It will look at all possibility and try to assign a score because we only have 4 on the board and therefore the score is not very high, nothing immediate win or loss, but it would try its very best to look for anything that would give it an immediate win. Otherwise, it will seek for immediate loss to prevent from losing. And then if none of that scenario is in play, it will try to advance its own scoring system. If I go here, it will block me. This is R19, and you can see here, of all the possibility, R19 is the best move because I had 3 here, and therefore some threat, negative 3.5 points. So I will proceed. Now, if I don't do anything, it will go T13 for sure. Let's show you. T13 because it will give itself a score of 3.5 and it would be a forced move for me. If I don't stop, it would win the game. Let's just say I don't stop it. It would win the game. Now, if we are to do new game for second game because we move first the first game, therefore the first move will be computer and it plays right there. I will proceed. For it to move the way it does, actually the code behind it is not that much. And I'm surprised of how versatile and how dynamic their moves can be. This is totally on their own. There you go. You will win. It knows we have too many possibilities to win and it doesn't have any pluses. One of the cool features is that once the game is over and I would like to replay this game one by one, either one move back, redo it, or all the way back from the beginning and have macro run through all the moves again on its own. You can see the cursor spinning because it's looped through all the moves and replay the whole thing. Or you can just use the inside arrow to examine moves by moves. There you go, it's over. Isn't that cool? So the code behind it is somewhat complex, but a lot of the function now is no longer relevant, such as the board formatting, because I only have a standard 20 by 20. But I leave this here just for your own information. There are also on change button. For example, set pick game. We no longer play 7 or 3, just 5, so it's not in use. Same thing with the board size, but the rest of it is still here. A lot of these modules, they have very little codes. See, this is just rerun, evaluate moves, the settings, some of the default variables or public variables, random selections, move selections, immediate win-loss, evaluation. So if you are curious how is this done, go to the description. I have a link to buy this copy with full access to the VBA. It's just a couple of dollars for me. Just buy me a coffee and you're really gonna have this file. Unfortunately, I won't be able to have time to respond to your email. If you have questions, you can send it, but I cannot promise that I'll be able to answer you, as this is just for fun and hope you find it entertaining, have the time to explore how it was done and definitely you can improve upon since you have access to the back. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the presentation. See you on the next video. I do hope you purchase a copy to support me. Bye-bye now.